Oh, hi everybody. Yeah, here. Oh, I'm losing my voice, I swear. But this came in the post the other day, just yesterday. So I thought I would do a review for you guys. Not too optimistic with the size of the crate, and how disappointing it was last month. But hopefully it's better. Um, I doubt there is a decent, really big figure in here. So it's too small. And I have a feeling we don't get a shirt again, which I really wanted. So hopefully, in place of the shirt, we don't get something like an apron, which I thought was kind of cool. So I'd rather have a shirt for Breaking Bad. But yeah, so let's open it up. First, we open it up and let's see some cool things. And looks like you're gonna make a box out of the box. That's what it kind of looks like. It has a little keyhole, so I'll check that out. First thing in here that is in place of the shirt is a Pikachu hat. I don't have a hat like this, so but it's kind of cute. So I'll wear him. It like covers like everything. This winter I can look geeky and stay warm. So he has little Pokeballs for the ends. I always hated this kind of stuff though because they always ripped off on me. Get stuck on things. But he is cute. Still would prefer again t-shirt. This t-shirt you can wear anytime. Things they're giving us right now are things you can. So hopefully they go back to shirts now that they've given us pretty much everything in a wardrobe. Like okay, this is like a hat. They've given us a watch. They've given us some of these. They've given us a cooking apron. So hopefully they go back to giving us t-shirts, which you can wear anytime. You don't have to wait for it to be cold or anything. So yeah. And then we have Hearthstone Heroes of Warcraft. So probably a World of Warcraft thing. I never played the game. I've known people who play the game. I'm not into it. It looks like it's just one of those stress ball things. So let's open it up. So yeah, it's just a squishy stress ball shaped like a rock. So maybe if you're into the game, this is cool, but kind of not my thing. We have a Simpsons item. This is cool.